So how do you share books on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this. So essentially you can open up your books app and check out either your library or the bookstore. But if you go to the your existing library, you can tap on the three dots next to your existing books and have the ability to click on share. And you can see that we now have the option to share it somehow. So I can click on copy or use the airdrops or use the messages, whatever. And that's how you can share it with other people, right? So for example, when I set up the airdrop, I will have the ability to share it wirelessly. So the point is that all of the, regular methods of sharing are going to be available for the books as well. However, when you click on when you share it over to other devices, you'll see that most likely it's just going to be a link to a book which they have to get it themselves, right? So it depends on the file type, but if it's a book which you purchase, it's not going to appear on their device automatically, but you're just sharing the link for them to access the very same book. However, if you already have your own PDF, let's say you created your own PDF file, which you now have in the Books app, well, you can of course share that PDF files through other methods as well. Like for example, you might have it inside of the Files app, you get it there, and share the PDF over the airdrop to another device or any other method is acceptable. But once the PDF file is saved in the Files app, you can hold down on it, click on share, and open it through the Books app, right? So if you have a file which can be read through the Books app, that's how you can move it into the app and you'll be able to just access it on other devices. So that is how you could technically share it as well. But that is the thing which I wanted to show you. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device. Hit a thumbs up if I helped you, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.